Hey and welcome to this video. This is a tutorial where I will show you how to buy Ethereum with a credit card or with a debit card. If you're a complete beginner, it will only take you a couple of minutes. And I will show you the sign-up process, which is completely free. And it's completely safe as well to buy Ethereum with a credit or debit card. So, I've been doing this myself on Binance, which I will show you here. So first off, you can click the link below this video in the description, because if you click the link and sign up through my link, you will get 5% kickback on trading fees. So first off, if you click the link, you'll get to a page that will look like this. So you will create your free account. The sign up process should be very simple, so I won't show you exactly how to do it. You just enter your email, enter your password, and you have to verify your email address, and later you will have to verify your, with ID and stuff like that as well, I think. So first off, just create your account. All right, so when you're done with the sign up process, you should go to a homepage, the Binance homepage, which will look like this. So what you will see on the homepage is buy and sell crypto in minutes. Join the world's largest crypto exchange, which you already done if you followed my instructions so far, or if you're just checking this video and haven't signed up yet, you can do it later. So we can just click buy now if you want to buy crypto. In this case, maybe Ethereum. You can buy lots of different cryptos, which I will show you. You can see you can buy crypto right here, and you can spend, in this case, US dollars. You can change it right here. So there's lots of different currencies to choose between. I will just keep it to US dollars right now. And right here you can see buy, and this is on Bitcoin right now. So you can just click here and you will see lots of different cryptocurrencies you can choose between. So in this case, it's Ethereum. I will just show you how to buy Ethereum. So you can see right here, you can spend between 15 to 5,000 US dollars. I will keep it simple. We can just, spend $15. You'll see how much Ethereum you will get. So this will vary depending on the price of Ethereum. So right now it's on 1,315 US dollars. So as you can see right here, there are a couple of different payment methods. I will just keep it simple. So we will just choose a card payment, either credit card or debit card. So just keep it on new card if it's the payment choice you want to go with. And you can see right here, buy ETH. I'll click buy ETH. And as you can see right here, you will buy with card, and you have to enter your credit card information. So I won't show you my card number, and you will have to fill in the details yourself. It's a very simple process. I will just show you what it looks like when you're done with all your details and have bought your Ethereum or whatever coin you choose. You can see your funds and Ethereum in your wallet. So first off, you can just go to fiat and spot. It's a place where all your cryptocurrencies and all your other currencies and balance will be shown, and where it will be stored. I'll be honest, an exchange can shut down just as a bank can shut down. So you decide if you want to take it a step further and actually hold the cryptocurrency yourself on a hardware wallet, or if you want to transfer them wherever you want. Just be cautious, so you actually get the proper education on how to do it, so you don't transfer your funds somewhere else and you get scammed or something, because this is most likely the least risk of getting scammed, at least, just to buy it here with your credit card or debit card and keep it here. So anyways, you can see all your funds right here, crypto balance, fiat balance. So this will depend on whatever you choose to buy. You can see you can withdraw your things. It's usually a bank transfer that will happen if you choose to withdraw. You can trade all your cryptocurrencies for other cryptocurrencies. You can trade them for fiat. And you know, it's a lot of different things to do. I just want to, you know, keep it simple now and don't overwhelm you. And you know, if you choose to buy Ethereum, Bitcoin, or other cryptocurrencies, that's completely up to you. This is not the financial advice, and it's not my responsibility if you either, you know, screw something up in this process, or if you buy something that lose all its value, which is a risk when you choose to invest. So the investment and all the buying process, that's completely your responsibility. That's nothing I can control or do something about. So hopefully I have shown you the complete step-by-step tutorial that you need in order to get started with cryptocurrency. And I want to congratulate you for making the decision to actually go through this. You know, I'm holding cryptocurrency myself, and I'm a big believer in cryptocurrency. So, you know, I'm happy that you're here. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more tutorials like these. I might actually start discussing cryptocurrencies as well in the future. My current and main business is actually affiliate marketing and marketing in general. So that's what I'm doing on, you know, an everyday kind of thing. So thank you for watching this. Leave a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and hopefully I'll see you around.